Hi, in this video I want to reintroduce the Mavlink 3D map. The Mavlink 3D map is a simulator that I have developed a few years ago, but I have redeveloped it recently with much more features and much more robustness. The simulator uses Mavlink that is sent from actual drones or simulator, SITL. You can use any of them, and you just forward the Mavlink message to the simulator, and each drone give it an ID, a different ID on the Mavlink itself, and it will be plotted like that. It will be appear as drone on the simulator. The simulator can use true maps, and it can also use 3D maps, as you can see. In the old simulator, the maps was not continuous. That means if you go here, you will find no maps. But in this simulator, when the drone goes outside the boundaries, it will create new maps. You can put cameras on the drone. That's the drone. As we can see, there is a camera mounted here and a camera mounted here. And this drone is number 1. And so we can go to drone number 1 here, press 1 again, and we are accessing the front camera. We can press S and W to move this camera. We can press 1 again to access the lower camera. Again, we can press S and W to move this camera. We can press 1 again, and we are back to the follow me camera, and we can follow the drone. There is a maximum distance we can go away from it. And if we press 0, then we get the world camera, and we can see all drones. If these drones are small, then we can press plus. We can press L to remove the labels. And we can press plus to make the drones bigger. Minus for make it small again. We can press F1 to see the help. You can store the layout status using Control S, and you can retrieve it again using Control R. Then you can have different maps. Here is another map. You can create objects like cars, like buildings. This map is flat. It's a real map, but it's flat. There is another map. You can create any custom map. So this map consists of tiles, tile 1, tile 2, tile 3, tile 4, and you can just put your own tiles so that you can create your own map. So as we can see, there is tile 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the map. The very nice thing about this simulator, the very special feature, is that you can stream video from it. Let's try. See, this is streamed video. So you can use it as part of your system to train your drone or test drone vision or drone tracking or different features that you can add it to your drone. The system doesn't require any setup. It's very easy. You just run 2 commands and that's it. It's a standalone website with a running service. It can run on Windows, it can run on Linux. For sure the streaming is on Linux only because it uses virtual video, but it's very easy. I know there are many advanced simulators, Webbots, Gazebo, and many advanced simulators, but this one does the job and it's very easy, and you can build your own drone. By the way, here you can change this structure. You receive pure Mavlink messages, so you can attach actions to this drone by connecting it to servo messages, for example. I already published old videos about how to create this type of objects, so I will put it in the description. They are still valid. Okay, now let's see it with the swarm feature of drone engage. So I will point here to drone number 1, drone number 1, drone number 7 here. I press 2, but drone ID is 7. I press 3 here, drone ID is 8. And I will keep this as word camera. So 178. Let's go here. And we have 1. Here we will make it a leader. 7, we will make it follower. And 8, we will make it a follower. And then we will give the leader an order to go here. You can see the formation. Go far. Again, number 1, number 2, number 3, and word. Okay. Here it is, the drone, the parent drone. Here this drone is this one, and this drone is following here, and this is the third drone, and it is following this drone and this drone. It is not this vibration is due to that we are fixing the frame to this drone, so that's why this one appears as if it is vibrating, but it's not. Here we can see the opposite. This is the drone, which is this one, and appears vibrating also. So this might be fixed in future. And this is the parent drone. And we can press here number 1, and we can see here the drones are following, and each drone has an altitude. Each drone has a different altitude. You can see that clearly here from the camera's path.